Hello YouTube. We're at the Iron Pony Motorsports. If you haven't been here, it's in Ohio, and it's a motorcycle heaven. We have Indian, we have Ducati, we got all kinds of stuff. We got all kind of bike stuff. I'm going to check the place out and give you an inside view. We have tons of helmets, bags, clothes, tons of bags, aisles and aisles of bags. So we're trying to find, and this is a helmet, and she's searching for that perfect helmet. So here's like their racks of helmets. So trying to find the right one is the hard part, because they have tons. Hey, you want to be Schultz, Mr. Schultz? I see nothing. I know nothing. So we're trying to find ones we can do the lightweight composites. So it has a drop-down visor, HTC, has a drop visor, but doesn't do our headsets. It's got to be able to hold the Senas with the pockets for the microphones, speakers, and it doesn't have any of that.
No.
The ones we know that do their pit bosses.
I like it though.
Yeah, pretty design. So they have HJC, Vega, Max, G Max. Not these ones. Dirt bike. Yeah, we need to talk to somebody, find a employee. Three-quarter helmet's probably your best. You're getting a lighter helmet, but a three-quarter helmet.
Yeah.
You got all kinds of modules, Vegas, HJCs. Trying to find an employee.
There we go.
Yeah. Seen some of these on the internet. Those look like fun. I think you buy the sock and cover your helmet with it. So.
No? Maybe.
Yeah, you buy the sock and cover your helmet with it.
Alright, we gotta find somebody who can help us.
That guy looks like an employee over there.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Any what?
It's like Kevlar or something that's lighter than just your. It's just a light helmet.
Like carbon fiber and stuff like that?
Yeah, she needs a lighter helmet, she thinks.
I do. You have like full face, carbon fiber.
Even more helmets. More helmets. Yes, now we're going to look at chaps. We determined that the helmet's weight isn't a big enough difference. Riding coats, riding pants. Everything you want to know about riding is here at Iron Pony. Alrighty. We found some chaps. They have lots of chaps. Lots of vests. Oh, cotton vests. We're just getting some video. Yeah. There you go.
You keep wanting a new jacket.
Yeah, but I want a multi-stage jacket. So, and boots. We have lots of boots. Do you want a pair of boots? Tina's looking for boots.
Well,
You don't need a pair of boots, do you?
I don't need boots. No, I just bought a pair. Those are pretty for roses. No, if I bought boots.
Lots of coats. These are all ladies' coats. If your wife can't find something here, you're out of luck. Yep. Fingerless gloves. Find a nice pair of fingerless mesh gloves.
Well, for you, yep.
Yep. Lots of gloves. Gloves are up there. These are all dirt bike stuff. What else did you look for? This is all dirt bike stuff. Dirt bike helmets.
Yep.
Dirt bike helmets.
How are you guys today?
All right, how you doing?
Doing well, thanks.
There we go. We got lots of gloves to pick from. Wallets, patches. I'm looking for some fingerless gloves. Let me think. I should be able to find something here. Oh, there we are. Fingerless, but are they mesh? I want mesh. Yeah. There's fingerless, but they're not mesh.
You guys find everything all right? For guys, top row right here.
Walk right past the top.
Walk past them. Yeah. Oh, okay. The mesh. Yeah, that one's right to the left of it. You need something like that with mesh.
Those are Indians.
That's it. Alrighty, we got tons and tons of clothes and stuff. Can't find the gloves, still in my size. So, lots of shirts, lots of toys, dirt bike stuff. More helmets. We have seats. We have demo Mustangs. This seat I've had for years. Oh, here's what I was looking for. This is the same thing I just got. And I tell you what, it does not get as airflow as I thought it would. Not nearly as much. It says it does. But the one I got from Harley doesn't. You can try the pads, the gels, gel pads, Saddlemen. Here's one little quad. Ooh, got them new Hondas. The new Hondas without the bags. They're nice. Got a Honda here to look at. We have well, it did have Ducati. I don't know where the Ducati bikes are at. There's the Indians, and there's not many of those in here either. Wow. There's a lot less Indians in here. Must be also a lot of Indians. Because there was a lot of them in here before. Ducati, Triumph. Oh, Ducati and Triumph's over there. I only said there was Can-Am. Yeah, there ain't very many Indians. Small, got some Scouts. We got Yamaha back here. I have to get any Can-Am stuff. Like Can-Am bikes or quads. It's not the same. Can-Am bikes. Lots of pre-owns. Go to the British side. Off to the Brits. One more Triumphs. New Triumphs. Nice old bikes. And we had the Ducatis. Sweet. Awesome. So if you haven't been here, it's a good place to do it. There's a lot to look at. If you're really into them, there's lots of them to check out. Sport bikes, street bikes. all those different kinds of bikes that you might find fascinating. I'll find a wife before she gets mad at me for losing her. Oh yeah. Up on this side, they got Yamahas. Say K&Ms. I'm looking for. All I see is five K&M Kawasaki's. Lots of dirt bikes. Got some Kawasaki's. Hey, they guys sell everything here. Sport tour bikes. Boulevard. Oh, they do have K&M Spiders. Look at that. K&M is coming soon. Not the old lady style. She likes that green one, I think. RTs. These are 19s. At least the 19. The 20s changed. So these would be 19s. Got two nice ones. So I got them trailers. Nice ball bike trailer. This would be cool. I fit the wife's bike and my bike into it. Those nice little trailers for you to load one bike into and off you go. You roll your bike up on it, boom, down the road you go. They're a lot cheap. $3,000 for one of these. Doesn't have an enclosure or nothing. You can pull two bikes and you can pull K&M on that one, I bet. Nice. Got all kinds of straps. Everything biking, you want to be down here and come check this out. It looks like they got a section they're going to open for Star bikes over here too. It says Star, but I don't see any. Yeah, tires. What kind of tire would you like? We got all kinds of tires. Pipes, Vance and Hines. All that good stuff. Anything to do with motorcycles. Oils, filters, you name it, they got it. Levers. What they don't have, I'm sure they could probably find you. We got a lot of karaoke stuff. Got some Cobra bars, engine guards, Kawasaki footboards. I always like them flip outs. I don't want to fit for my bike or not. So, hand grips, lights, all kinds of good stuff. Extra parts, add-on parts. Oh, there's my buddies in one of those. Ask me about those on my bike all the time. There's a set here. It's 112.44. They say 299 on this one. At M&M Leather we're 129. So stuff for your gull wings. Yep. There's some more stuff. Some of this and that. Stuff for your bikes. And we got more helmets. Straps. Oh, there's a 2020 K&M. Yeah. There you go. That's a sweet one. Old lady like that one or not. No big windshield. She likes her big windshield. More helmets. All kinds of helmets. Alrighty. I'm saying there's tons of different bags to get. Anything you want to fit your bike. Leathers, not leather, composites, hard bags, trunk bags, front side bags, touring bags, more bags. Alrighty. Alrighty, that's our trip to Iron Pony?
Iron Pony.
Yeah, Iron Pony. If you haven't ever been here, it's definitely someplace you should come and check out. They got lots of different brands, lots of different products, especially if you're looking for a helmet, chaps, jackets, boots. Boots is not as much, huh?
Oh no, they had tons of
Yeah,
boots.
tons of boots, tons of boots.
If
So-
you can't find it here, forget
If
it.
you can't find it here, yeah. And if you're looking for specialty things, you just have to look. I mean, you can't come out here thinking you're going to find something in 10 minutes. It's going to take a little bit of time, but you can find it.
And the help is fantastic.
The help is always helpful. They're always helpful. Everybody's always nice. They don't give a military discount, but it is what it is. Oh, sorry about jerking. Kind of do 3 things at once. But anyways, we're out.